This is the high quality trade we were looking for here on Forex Trendy 5-minute charts day trading activity. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna give you many useful information. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what happened on the Forex market on the 5-minute charts. I'm a day trader. I'm using Forex Trendy for my day trading activity. But before starting, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and if you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. This is an online tool, so you don't have anything to download, and it's very high quality signal service. Of course, you need a strategy, you need to filter signals, especially if you use reliability on medium. But if you want to receive only super high quality trade signals, you should go on you should opt for high or highest. Okay, I have my strategies in place, so I'm used to pick trades, okay, according to price action. The most important thing when trading, when selecting trades with signal services, is to take rid of to read price action, okay, because you have to discard the low odds trade. Okay, so yeah, we have the emerging patterns. I usually take a look at the price action first, then I open my C trader and take a wider look on my broker charts, and I decide whether to enter or not once the pattern is complete. Okay. So let's jump. Let's see the first trade. Here we are on the British pound and the Swiss 5-minute chart. We have a flag buy signal break at 1833. Very nice flag after this very strong bullish impulse. As you can see, we got here a triple bottom. Okay, the price was just rebounding at least 3 times on 1800, and then we had this very strong bullish impulse, and the price retraced at least to 50%. Okay, and then the price broke through the trend line here, and after retesting the 1826 level, it went up, reaching the 1877 level. Okay, so if you have a very good price action reading, you will be fine because you will choose only the best signals. Let's jump to the Euro CAD on the 5-minute chart flag. We have a sell signal break at 5319. So at first place, the price failed to fall down, continuing the downtrend here. As you can see, the ripeness of the flag is pretty high, and the price continued to go on, to go up, and retested this level around 53.45. As you can see here on the left side of the chart, we have and the shoulder. Okay, this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder here. And the price just retested this previous level and then went down. Okay, this is why it's very important to have a strategy, because if you take a signal like this with no sufficient build up, we don't have a very strong build up here, because as you can see, we got this double top here, and it's not retesting any important level. Okay, because as you can see on the left, we don't have a resistance or a support area. Just have to wait for the price to retest at least this level. Okay, as you can see, the price was rebounding on this support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and it was not sufficient, because as usual the price will retest the most important levels up here around 53.45. Okay, then broke through again the trend line and retested again the previous price structure here at 53.42. Okay, and then went down again. So this is why it's very important to have a strategy, because you know how to act on the forex market. Let's jump to silver. This is the perfect trade because we got a very nice bullish impulse, and then a triangle forming. It took many hours to form. The breakout was perfect because the price just went up and then went down, retesting this previous high, the higher part of the triangle around 1876, 1874. Okay, and then reached the 1898 level. So it was a very nice trade for a continuation. You always have to look at the price action, the quality of the pattern, and what the price is doing. Okay, if there is no sufficient build up, then there is no high hot trade. Okay, you should select high hot trade. Let's take a look at the British pound and the Swissy. Again, we have a very nice trade here. We got this triple bottom here, okay, and a very strong bullish impulse, and then the triangle, the ascending triangle forming. The price broke through the trend line here around 1839 and went up, reaching the 1850 level. If you miss a signal, don't freak out because usually the price is going to retest the trend line. Okay, in fact, the price retested this level exactly at the trend line. 1839. As you can see, this was a previous resistance and it worked as a support zone, and then skyrocketed up to 1877. So a very nice trade, around 37 pips more or less the spread. Okay, so let's jump to the euro and the New Zealand dollar. We have a sell signal break at 72.48. Very interesting pattern because we got this very strong resistance area around 72.70, and the price just went down and rebounded on this 72.22 level. Okay, and then the flag formed. The price retested this 72.62 level, very previous strong level here. As you can see, the price retested many times with those spikes and then fell down. Okay, the breakout was strong. The price retested when close to the trend line, but retested these previous levels here around 72.46. As you can see, a very strong area, a very sensible area. Okay, as you can see, the price retested it many times before and then continued to go down, reaching the 72.01 level. So we had many profitable opportunities. Of course, if you have a strategy, you're gonna make more money. If you trade blindly, you're gonna lose money on the long run because this is a serious business and you should know what you're doing. Let's jump to euro and Australian dollar. This is a classic situation when the price is ranging, okay, and there is no space for a short or a long position, especially if the breakout is just happening at the bottom of the range. Okay, in fact, the price went down, reaching the 62.03. Many of you can argue that the price has gone in profit because we are on the 5-minute charts and at least they made like 17 pips, but it's never a good idea to short on the bottom of the range. Then it's a personal call. It's a personal call according to your trading strategy and so on. But personally, I don't trade bottom of the ranges. Okay, so for me, it's a no call. Okay. Let's jump to the euro and the Japan yen. Similar situation because the market is ranging, even though it doesn't look so obvious. Okay, we got this very strong bullish impulse here. Then the price started to range from 121.87 to 121.51. So we got a 30 pips range. It's good for ranging traders. Okay, if you are looking for a good profitable opportunity, especially when these little head and shoulders formed here on this 121.51 level, then the price just started to go up, reaching the previous level here and then go over. Okay, just go beyond, reaching the 21.94 level. Okay, then this wedge formed, but as you can see, we don't have a very strong uptrend forming this preceding this falling wedge. Okay, we just have a ranging market and then this falling wedge form. Okay, if you wanna go long at the bottom of this range around 21.51, it's a personal call, but I wouldn't do it. Okay? Only in the specific scenarios. Let's jump to an exotic pair. Usually on Forex Trendy, you're gonna find very good opportunities with exotic pairs. You know, especially the euro and the Turkish lira, the USD SEK, and so on. But it didn't go in profit. We have a pretty good downtrend. The first bearish impulse, then the bulls try to take control again here, but they failed, so the bears went in again, and the price continued to fall down, reaching the 37-34 level. Okay, and then the flag formed. As you can see, the flag is too long compared to the pole here, and it's not a good signal. Always look at the price levels where the price is breaking through the trend line. If it's gonna go down or not, nobody knows what the market is gonna do. But of course, if you have a strategy, if you have a very good technical reading, then you'll be fine. So, but the trade here didn't go as expected, even though the price broke through the trend line at 36.10 level and fell down to 34.99. So we have a nice profit, but bear in mind that on the exotic pairs you will find very high spreads. So it's a personal call. I usually don't trade exotic pairs. Okay, let's jump to the euro and the Turkish lira. This is a very fresh trade. It happens like 1 hour ago. So it's a ranging market more or less. So I don't take this signal because as you can see, the price just tested this high around 80.38 and it rebounded many times around this level 77.31. So it's a ranging market. Nobody knows what the market is going. My advice is to wait and see which part will take control. Okay, the price may just break up, going up or going down. So still watch, because interesting things are going to happen, especially after lateralizing moments. Okay, if a part fails to break out, then there is a very high possibility that the other part is going to win. Okay, and for example, is if bulls fail to break out and go up here, then there is very high probability that the bears are going to take control and win the game. Okay, don't take it for granted, but usually the forex market is like this. But before using any strategy guide, you should backtest and exercise on demo. It's very important. So leave a comment below, let me know what you think, how you trade the forex market. I'm very curious about your trading habits. Remember that on the 5-minute charts everything is very the price action is fast, so you will have to act and take position and decide in a very short time. And for this reason you have to exercise a lot. So for today is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. Stay tuned. Bye bye.